Hello viewers, welcome to Tech Creator Joy. Background must be green. Copy background layer, image, mood, lab color, don't flatten. You can see the channel option in Windows. A. Copy. B. Paste. Deselect. Image, mood, RGB color, don't flatten. Copy the layer, filter, camera raw filter, color mixer. This option depend your Photoshop version. OK. Press D for default color and then press Ctrl Delete or Alt Delete. Brush tool. Opacity and flow 100%. Now you can brush your skin. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe my channel Tech Creator Joy and hit the bell button to watch my new tutorial. Thanks for watching.